This is Lovelyn again. Well, today I want to share with you guys the orchids that I bought from Hawaii. I'm so excited about this because they are unique. So, I love to shop in eBay, you know that. So anyway, when I buy something in eBay or Amazon, mostly in eBay, I try to check the sellers and then their feedback, and this seller got 100% feedback. So that makes me so excited. And they have a nursery in Hawaii. So I bought it in Tuesday, and you know what? It came on Thursday. So I got overnight FedEx. So alright guys, I'll show you the box. Alright guys, so this box came in our door when I come home yesterday. It's very nice. They put all these, you know, nice box. It's a big one, long one. Alright guys, so we're gonna open together the package that I received from Hawaii. So hopefully you can see this. I take out the tape already. Oh, there's more. Alright, I thought I take out all the tapes already, but I guess not. So I cut the other end, and we will cut this in. Oh, that one is open already. So look at the package, guys. Oh, I don't want to knock my mini pals. See how big is this one? The packaging is really nice. So got all this newspaper. My goodness, they tape it really good. My orchids can't jump. Let's see here. I don't know where's the orchids, but somewhere here. The tape really good so it does not move anywhere. Oh, it got spike in it. My goodness, I did not know that she's sending me the one with a spike. So I bought 2 orchids. So I think this is the other one here. So much tape, which is good. So it does not move in the shipment. But it's just too much to take out. Too much paper. Which is, sometimes I like it, but you know, it takes time to open it. But the shipment is good. We'll see what we got here. So, this is the other one that I bought. Oh, look at that. My goodness. It is covered with a shredded paper. Ooh, we just don't need it slowly. My goodness. Well, the orchids looks good. A little dehydrated. Well, it's not that bad, but you know, shipping for 2 days overnight in the plane, that make them dry out a little. And this one is already mounted in Hawaiian wood. Look at this. That's so pretty. And there's a name, so I can just hang this one. There's a hanger. And there's a name on this, and it says Bulbopilum corolliferum atropurpureum. So I will show you guys the pictures of the flowers of these orchids when in my video, so you can see. It's very pretty. The orchids is really nice. It's already established in the wood, and this is the wood native from Hawaii. They already put in there. It's matured, supposed to be a 3 years old orchids, and they got the name hanging. So what I'm gonna do is, guys, I'm gonna soak in water so she will be alive again. Well, she's alive already, but I think she's a little thirsty from the trip from Hawaii. So I'm just gonna hang this one her like this. Look at that, how pretty she is. I'm so excited. And then I bought two from this seller. Let me see the other one. Where's my scissors here? Because this one, oh my goodness, she really taped really good on this one. Just gonna open like that because she taped the paper next to the box. It's really hard to, the orchids can't move, which is really good. So the orchids will be intact when it arrives to the destination. They are very, you know, secured because some places that I bought orchids before, the orchids move back and forth and it breaks leaves or even spike. This one is a matured plant too, but let me see. Oh wow, look at that. We'll take that out. Oh my, this one is a long one. It's kind of like the Oncidium family. It's a chocolate orchids. Oh my goodness. A lot of stuffing. Oh wow, they got a spike. They did not mention it in their advertisement that they're gonna send me the one with spike. They mentioned the pictures, it says it's just a matured plant, 2 to 3 years old. But she did not mention that she gonna send me. Look at that, guys. Very nice packaging. So there's nothing gonna fall off or break. The plants is perfect. I'm gonna take this plastic out and I'm gonna find that label here. Oh my goodness, it's a lot. So see, look at the bulbs. The bulbs is very healthy. See, it's an Oncidium family. And then look at the spike, guys. Oh my goodness, there is a spike. She did not even mention. And how long is that? Look at that flowers. That pretty. Did not mention that she gonna send me the one with a spike, which is, I'm very surprised. And the plants is very healthy. Right, guys, so the base of the plant, I put it in on the floor. So this is the end of the spike. My goodness, it's almost tall as me. Well, I'm 4'11". So these Sherry, Oncidium Sherry Chocolate Fragrant is very tall, the spike. See, look at that, guys. The body, the plants, the Oncidium, very healthy, very nice. I think this is a 4 inches pot. So I need to transfer this in a bigger pot and then put it next to my plants that are flowering. But this is the tallest because look at that. This is the body and then goes down here and here's the spike. I'm so surprised that she sent me with a spike. That's so awesome. I love it because I'm thinking she's just gonna send me a mature plant that's 2-3 years old and then I'm gonna wait for another year to bloom and smell the chocolate fragrance. But oh my goodness, she sent me with a spike and look at that. There's already a bloom and then there's more that gonna open soon. So as I said earlier, if I put this on the floor, look, this is the end of the spike. As tall as me. My goodness. This, the whole name of this one is Oncidium Sherry Baby Chocolate Orchids. This one is very tall. But I'm very satisfied, guys. Look at the bulb. How healthy it is. Plump. Very healthy. No broken leaves. Very nice leaves. Very healthy. The spike is intact. There's one flower and still good. And I'm going to transfer here very soon and put it in the bark. So I'm so happy with my item. This item is the Oncidium Cherry Baby Chocolate Orchid, and it's super fragrant, but it's a chocolate. So when all the spike or the bud will open, it's gonna be a chocolate smell in the house. I love chocolate. And then the next one is this one. It's very unique orchids. This said in the advertisements as collector items, and the name of these is the Bulbopellum coliferum variety Atropurum, and it's a collector's items. So, and the color of these is a dark pink, and it looks like a half daisy. I'm gonna show you the pictures so you will see it when it blooms someday. So hopefully next year. But look at the plants, how pretty it is. Very, very pretty, very healthy. They look like a little thirsty, but I don't blame them. After all that plane ride from Hawaii, I'll be thirsty too. So I will soak her in the water. And she is already mounted in the native Hawaiian wood. So that's really awesome. And look at that, guys. Everything, the roots, the leaves, the stem are intact. Nothing is missing. Perfect. And I even have a hook, and the name is already attached. I like it the way they do it. So I'm just gonna hang this one in one of my shelving. But it's my first one that I got it from Hawaii. It's already mounted in Hawaiian wood, and I'm so happy with my purchase. The price is worth it because it's a free shipping, and they do overnight FedEx. So it came last night, but I didn't have a chance to open it and everything because I was so tired last night to make this video, and I want to open it with you guys. So I just opened it this morning. And these two items, I got it from Kawamoto Orchids. They are certified nursery in Hawaii, and I'm gonna put a link below in this video. And these are my two orchids that I want to share with you guys, the unboxing. My Oncidium Cherry Baby Chocolate Fragrance, and this one is the collector items. It's a tongue twister, the name. But anyway, I love them. They are my unique collection because I got lots of falls. I got lots of Cattleya, well, maybe 3 Cattleya. I got Vanda, I got 6 of them. I got Oncidium, and I got Cymbidium. This is the family of Oncidium, but there's fragrance. So that's really nice. I like chocolates, so gonna be chocolate fragrance everywhere when I open the door, the whole house. And this one is a collector items. So now that make my collection 90 orchids. But now my collection will be like from now on, it's gonna be just the unique one, special, that I need to have it. But for now, I'm happy with my purchase from Kawamoto Orchids in Hawaii. Thank you so much for wonderful shipping. It's a lot of stuffing and papers, but it arrived my orchids intact, no broken leaves, no broken stem. The spike is, I'm very surprised with the spike, is intact, and there's one bloom, and everything is good. I'm so happy with my purchase from Hawaii. So anyway, guys, if you like this video that I share with you, please like and thumbs up, And click this button here below that says subscribe so you don't miss any of my video. I got lots of video, guys. I just need to put it together and share it with you. My problem is time, but you know, I will be there. I will get there. I'll catch up. But anyway, if you have any ideas, suggestion, questions, or just to drop by and see hi that you watch my video, I love to hear from you. So, alright guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. God bless. And I will see you in my next video. And please click this button that says subscribe and click all so you don't miss any of my video. Bye!